Hi, very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel Fortune Forex. So, guys, today we are doing a weekly analysis, and you all witnessing the live weekly chart of gold. This is XAUUSD one, and you can see this is a 1 week chart, and in which we have already discussed previously in the weekly analysis as well. The same thing going to be looking on the charts, and if we are looking at the weekly charts, we can see gold has showing some bullish momentum in the past few weeks, but currently it is consolidating in a tight range near to the support zone of 3330. This was the support area for gold prices. If we talk about here, from the last few days, from the last few weeks, gold is continuously supporting this 3300 price range, and whenever price reach to this point, gold will automatically like jump up by the push up by the buyers, you can see, and then it will jump up to around 3400. So this was a clear scenario from the last almost 6 to 7 weeks. You can see these are the candle wicks, and that is not properly made, but already wicks are very high. Whenever wicks are higher than body of the candle, it's a sign of indecisiveness, and also the market trend is still not decided on a weekly chart. So as a swing trader, if you have any positions, there are so many traders, those who have positions from here, from here, and from here as well, those who are looking forward for any kind of this sort of setup, so they can hold the position until the support levels are intact. And I will going to show you the main key support and resistance level for a gold for next week, and also we will going to do 4 hour and 1 hour chart analysis, as well as we will also cover what will be the most important factors and data that we will have in the next week. Okay, so let's first start with the weekly analysis. Right now, as I mentioned, that 3300 3330 is working as a strong support for the gold prices, which is gold is nearly consolidating around this area, and this area is acting as a short term support only, guys. The main support is not that. Main support is, suppose if the prices are falling from here, and if gold is giving a kind of movement below this, then we can expect the prices can go down up to 3350, that as well. But this is also not one of the key support area. First of all, the support area, the main support area will be is around 3280, because if you see, 3280 has been retested in almost every candle from the last 6 months, if you see. So 3280 is working as a strong support, and if prices are falling from here, if we see any kind of movement in the gold prices from 3330, if price goes down, then we can expect 3300, and 3280 is likely to be retested again, and from there buyers might be possible push up the prices again up to 3400. Because why I'm telling you 3400, this particular support has been retested so many times. You can see 1 2 3 4 5, and almost it can be done sixth time as well if selling pressure will be higher. Because if you see the last week candle was full of surprises, and at the end of the day, after got rejection from two types on the high side, sellers keep pushing up the prices down, and you can see the particular candle is in the right side only. Now let me show you the price range of this candle. Started from 3405, started going down, and almost came down to $76 down. $76 movement happened in the last 1 week. So this will be a crucial area for gold prices, and buyers may keep pushing up. Like, buyers may might be possible that they entered into the price zone around this area, and they will keep pushing up the prices. That's why the support and resistance level is at a very high side. Now let's get back to 4 hour candle chart. Now let's get back to 4 hour chart. So 4 hour, in the 4 hour you will also get some clarities. Let me just delete it for here. Okay, so the price range you can see on the 4 hour candle chart, you can see a bearish momentum, lower highs formations are going on, and gold is showing some sideways to slightly a bearish structure after falling from 3400. After showing a multiple resistance here, we have seen a lower highs formation. Why lower highs formation? Let me just delete it. Let me just show you a lower highs. So this was the high after a fall, then there was a high around 3400, then there was a fall, then high 3400, 3600, and then it is quickly back down. So if we talk about this one, this will be acted as lower highs. This will be acted as lower highs. Okay, so that's why on charts it is still looking some sort of, on a bearish side. We can expect some sort of movement here, and then the price may pull down up to 3292 as well, or 3300 as well. Okay, so the key support and resistance level which has been, on charts for the 4-hour charts, that is 3280 to 3300 levels. This is a most important support level for the gold prices if we talk about this area. And if we talk about the resistance area, then resistance will be at around 3400, guys. 3400 is basically the most important, in, you can say, resistance area for the prices. If that breach, we can expect some sort of volume based buying into the prices of gold up to 3430 as well. And if that breach, we can expect much more volatility and higher bullish movement on the gold chart. There are two factors that can consider that gold will be a bullish in the next few weeks, or maybe in the next week, because of a falling short of consumer sentiments. Yes, consumer sentiments data is not positive and inflation is increased. So always remember, whenever inflation increase, the gold will be hedged towards that. And whenever inflation increase, that particularly put a pressures on a USD to go down, and gold will goes up. So whenever inflation increase, it's a sign of gold bullishness, a bullish momentum that you have already seen from the last few months, from the last 1 year. Whenever increase in the inflation, or interest rate increase, gold is pushing up towards higher side. Okay, so that keep continues, and support level and resistance level are in front of you. Now let's get back to a 1 hour chart. So because 1 hour chart will be also very important for support and resistance level. Let me just remove all this, and let's get back to 1 hour chart of gold. So again, you can see on a 1 hour chart, there is a strong, you know a movement into this particular price range. You can see this was 3430, and then from almost like, a 1 or 2 days, gold is trading in this particular channel only from 68 to 43 or 33. So this will be a price range zone. You can see multiple times it has been tested, multiple times goes down and then bounce back and then retest this particular support. So after coming down from here, it might be possible the same continues here, and it might be possible to retest this area, and then from here we can expect some sort of bounce back into the prices of gold. And from here, buyers will take entry, and then they will push up the prices. This can be a possible potential move into the gold prices. However, the bearish sentiments are keep continue, and the next week price action will be depend on lot of economical data that will going to be released based on USD strength. And also we have to keep an eye on fundamental as well, because always remember, fundamental is ahead of technicals. Okay, so let me just show you what kind of data we have on in next week. Let me just show you. Okay, so on Tuesday we have medium CPI and trimmed and CPI, common CPI, that is for the Canadian dollar. We don't have any data on Monday. On 28th of August we have a monetary policy statement, that is for NZD dollar, and then in the evening we have FOMC meeting minute. So that will be also one of the important factor and data that you need to consider. CPI data for GBP is also one of the important data on 28th of August, Wednesday. And on Thursday we have very important data and actionable day, that is on Thursday, 21st of August. So that will create a lot of volatility. There are multiple data inlined: unemployment claims, flash manufacturing, flash services manufacturing, Jackson Hole Symposium, and everything. I have made a separate video for Jackson Hole Symposium. Also, you can go back to my previous videos, and also you can like and subscribe the current video if you like it. So this is GBP flash manufacturing. These are the important data which we have in the next week. Now let's talk about on Friday. We have again Jackson Hole Symposium that will create a volatility, and then the most important thing, that is Fed Chairman Powell will going to be give a speech. So market is right now in the indecisive mode, where it will go, where it will heading towards. And if we talk about this one, so I am expecting some sort of a downside movement first on the Monday, and then it will be bounce back. So the key support and resistance level for a gold on 1 hour chart, let me show you that as well. On a 1 hour chart, let's talk about 3300 will be a most important. 3330 is working as a most important support for all of you, for all the swing traders. And a key short term support level is this one, resistance. If that breach, we can expect the levels can go up to 3400 first, and if that also breach, we can expect much more higher bullishness. Okay, so let me just type key support and resistance level for every one of you. Support will be at 3300. If that breach, we can expect 3280. Resistance is at 3400. If that breach, we can expect 3450 levels as well. Price action is consolidating. Price is a range bound. Market is in indecisive mode. I am expecting some sort of movement around here. And if you are coming for the first time, please do not like and forget to subscribe our channel, Fortune Signals underscore admin. This is my Telegram channel ID, guys. You can reach out to me here if you have any queries, if you want to know about the free channels, free signals, free Telegram access, and also if you have any position towards in your account, so just let me know into the comment section. And also let me know that where you are expecting gold movement in the next week. Are you expecting 3400 will breach? Are you expecting a bullish momentum, or you are expecting a downside momentum? Just let me know in the comment section box. So that will be also a very important factor to connect with all the subscribers. Okay, and till then, bye bye, see you guys, see you in the next video, and do trade safe next week. Thank you.